Hello everyone. Hello. Good. So today we will be talking about installing some essential extension or add-ons in your browser. For example, Google Chrome or Firefox. So after installing the once your computer system has been set up, it's newly set up, or you are installing a new browser for web browser for accessing internet, so these are the essential add-on or extension we should be having so that it makes your works easy and comfortable. So fine, so the first one we will be talking about is for enhancer for YouTube extension. I'm working on Chrome, Google Chrome. So I'll be writing extension in place. If you are in Firefox, so you just replace this extension with add-ons. Okay. Then press an enter in Google itself. Then you will get an extend enhancer for YouTube. This you need to click. Don't download it from any other places because there are possibilities of virus. Here there won't be any possibilities of virus. Now, as I have already installed it, so it is coming remove from Chrome. In your case, it will come add to, for example, add to Chrome like that. Okay. Say what this do is that you can find your extension, all the extension while clicking over here dot dot. Then go to more tools, then extension. You'll find all the extensions which you have installed. So these are the extension I was talking about. After you have done the add to Chrome, it will come over here. Go to details. Okay, this is for on and off. So I have done off, so that's the it was not coming. Moment I have done on, the blue color indicates that it's on. That's the reason it's coming over here. I'll go to details. This is especially for YouTube only. Uh, Fine, go, no problem. I'll go, no, sorry. So this is for on and off. Here it is for allowing in the private mode, ignito mode, okay, private mode. If I do it, so if I'm browsing in private browser also, ignito mode, then also it will be active. Now I need to go over here, on this to do some setting. Okay, this what is doing is that default playback speed means once your YouTube is been open. Okay, once your YouTube is open, youtube.com, what happen is that, okay, you are setting the times, isn't it? So for example, I am opening a YouTube. Okay, this one. So what I need to do, if this one is off, then my playback
Hi,
speed
have
is
you
what?
always wanted to learn
It will
the
be,
code but don't know where to start? Would you like to make
it will
amazing
be
websites
what?
and apps and bring your ideas to
This
life?
is
Then this is
ad.
your course on web development from beginner to
Your video
शुरुआत कैसे
speed will be,
करूं कहां से करूं
your video speed will be what? Normal. Okay, it won't be slow or high. But once you have done over here 2, okay, or 1.9, or as per your speed, you do it, then no matter how many times you open this video or any video you open, directly YouTube you go, then suddenly this will be in 2 times 2 speed. Or if you have done 1.8 speed, in your this 1.5 if I do, then if I open or reload it, or any YouTube if I open, directly that particular video speed will be in that particular numbers which I am giving it 1.5. Then this will run for 1.5. No need to set for each and every video. If suppose one more YouTube I am opening, okay, I have opened. So since I have done over here, if I am selecting over here 1.8, what will happen? My video, any video in my YouTube will directly open in what? In speed of 1.8 only. Directly. It will be in that mode for direct. so it can save you to do go again and again in this particular video and select it. No need to do those things, directly it will be in your that particular video, or like that particular speed only for the rest of you. Okay, good enough. Another options are there in this, extra options are there, that I can control the volume label. Okay, I can control the volume level with the mouse wheel. Okay, when hovering the video player with this, I need to select it up. This is not selected beforehand. I'm selecting, or there are lots of options like the only when the right button is pressed. For example, this I have selected. Now this video is playing. Okay, I'm playing this video.
कैसे
The
करूं
moment
कहां से
I'll
करूं
do
आज
mouse,
करूं या कल करूं
I have one scroll bar in my mouse, isn't it? So that scroll bar, if I do up, the volume will get increased. If I do down, the volume will get reduced. Isn't it easy? If I do scroll bar in my mouse, if I do up, the volume is getting increased. If I do down, volume is getting reduced. This is happening because of when I have clicked over this particular button. Like this, your playback size, what will be your default video size? This one, you want to have it in theater mode, that also you can set it. Okay, pinned video, if suppose I am fine, if I am moving over here, so pinged video at the left side means I am going down, then also my video will be in this particular, that has been done due to this pinged top left corner. If I change it top right corner, okay, it has came over here. If I same way, if I select this particular, this is the video player size. Okay, if I do it bottom left corner, so it has came over here. Good, isn't it? So these are the options given over here. Automatically pause the video in background tab, like that. You have lots of options. One more option is there. By default you can set the uh, fine, no problem. Okay, in that scroll bar also you got that variation, 5 or 1 or 2, or how much you want. Automatic playback, here is the in which preference video quality you want to play your video. In 10808p prefer, if it is been accepted by your network directly, it will be playing high HD quality. If not, then 720p, like that it will reduce as per your internet connectivity speed. Okay, ads has been removed, like that, all those things you can do. So this was one space extension or add-ons especially for YouTube only. I always use this, which is because it is very useful. Okay, means very helpful as well. Okay, this was the one extension. Next extension is what? Ad block, as you guys know very well. So ad block plus extension, I can use it. Good, I'll click on it. ABP. I don't know why my internet is working slow. Here also add to remove. For example, same thing procedure. I'll show you one ad block how to do, or any extension how to install in your. Okay, suppose this block is not ADB block plus is not there. Extension is not there in my system, so I have opened it. I don't know why today my internet is very slow. I don't know. Maybe some. Okay, oh fine. This is also been already in my system, so that's the reason. Add block only I need to do. Add block plus I want to. Okay, add block extension is there. You can have any of them. Just to show you how to install any extension, I am trying with this. Okay, in this case, since it is not in my system, so it will come as a add to Chrome. Got? Now I need to select to add to Chrome. It will check it and it will add after some time, after installing it. Okay, it will ask for this, Add extension I'm doing. Good. crx file dot crx file will be, then it will come as adding to Chrome. Automatically it will do. Just again, like this same way you have to install other extension as well. One property which I want to show you is that in this one you have the maximum limit of video setup, what, 2. Okay, and if suppose you want to increase more than 2, then what do you need to do? You need to install for that video speed controller extension. Okay, click on it. This will come. Same way, add to Chrome you need to do. It will get added. Okay, automatically, need not have to do. I have already done it, so it will come remove to Chrome like that. Okay, fine. No, no, no. Video speed, no. Speed controller I did. Some other came. Speed controller. Okay, it got added in my list in my Chrome. Speed controller. This web page will come. No need to worry. So fine. In this enhancer for YouTube, we have the maximum limit 1.8. Okay, 2. Sorry, 2. We have the maximum. If I want more than 2 also, so for that you search it video speed controller with hotkeys extension. This you need to install, and it can go to a very like his number is very okay. It will come. This particular will come. Same. You need to add to Chrome. It will get added, and so after adding, I did it off. So now I'm doing on. So if I suppose if I'm opening any YouTube, I don't know why my today's speed is very slow. So suppose this video is there, then this video I want to run at a speed of higher speed. So what I'll do, I'll go over here.
टेक्नोलॉजी की दुनिया में तेजी से
I can,
विस्तार हो रहा है इंसान
what I can do, I can click on this and increase it. It will get increased automatically or reduce by 0.25. Reset it, speed up ads. Okay, those things you can do. Moment it will be get increasing, it will get increased by how many times if I am adding it, it will get increased automatically. Okay, good enough. So this is another 3 I have shown you. Now one more I'll show you. One is the 2 add-ons you can add it. One IDM, it is the required one. If you go for it, it's better. And one more is that is a wave highlighter. Okay. So what wave highlighter do? This is also a basics one which is required. Wave extension. I can go wave extension. Okay. I opened it. Same way, add to extension. Okay, add to Chrome, it will come. So what is the work of this wave highlighter is that if suppose we have opened any quantum computing Wikipedia, if I am opening quantum computing Wikipedia, good enough. If I am opening that too, For this, for using a wave highlighter, you need to sign in through your account. Like you can create any account and you can like sign in with Google Chrome or any for that save purpose. Okay, good enough. Now, if suppose I am reading this particular line, I find it out this is interesting. So I'll just select it, this particular line, and I'll just there the options will come of highlighting. This I want to really that I want to show you. This is the waiver means I have green color I have given to this. This one I find it out what it is. It is my important line. So I'm blue color I'm giving to this, highlighting it basically. That is for use for highlighting. If I'm here, green color, these are the same context. These are different, so I'm giving yellow. Like this, you can highlight in your web pages easily, very nicely. If I'm reading it, bluish color I'm giving to this. Okay, different colors you can give as per your if you're studying it like that. Good. Okay, unlimited. It's not any limited is not there. Fine. So highlight you can do while reading it, any articles like that. Good. So around six, isn't it? Six, no? More extension. Around six essential extension for Google Chrome I have shown you. You can install it. It's free of cost. No need to pay anything. Okay. And this I have disabled it. That's the reason ad was coming. Not any ad won't be coming. Okay. Thank you very much then. You should try it with it makes your PDF also fine. If you are reading PDF also and you want to highlight it, you can do with wave highlighter very easily. Good. Thank you very much. Thank you.